Hello guys, what's up? It's me, it's your girl Naomi. How you guys doing? Compliments of the season to every one of you watching this video. I hope you're doing well and you're staying safe. All right, so this is the 2nd of December, the day I filmed this video, and my model came over to the house for a quick makeover, and here we go. I'm just going to show you guys how we started, and boom. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a pictorial or a mini video of how I drew her brows. I will not be like filming as I'm going because I didn't have anybody to help me. I'll just be showing you step by step. So what I did was to outline the bottom part of the brow, and I did the top part of the brow. Guy, my model was legit sleeping, as in she was sleeping and her head kept moving left, right, and center. I was like, oh my god, will you please wake the fuck up? Why are you sleeping? Like, it was terrible. I spent more hours doing the makeup because she was like tired, and I don't know. So please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe down below and hit the bell so you always get notification from us every time we upload a new video. All right, if you have any questions for me, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will definitely get right to it. And yeah, so I instantly went into the Younger Beauty Ariel eyeshadow palette to pack on that deep brown, and I also picked up some beautiful copper gold color from the eyeshadow and applied all over her lid. I did her lashes, you know, also applied a bit of dark brown to her under eye, and now I'm just going to show you guys how I lined her lip, and yeah. Now the first pencil I'm using to line her lip is this black opal precision lip pencil in coffee bean number 3. I absolutely love it because it's super creamy, and it's one of my darkest, like dark brown eyeshadow lip liner, and I love it. I use it all the time. So yeah, after this I pretty much, you know, followed up with the Zaron cappuccino pencil, and this is what her lips is looking like. I like how, you know, subtle, nothing too crazy. I mean, this is the kind of look I would normally rock every day, all day, every day. So now I'll be using the Maxine lip gloss from Zaron Cosmetics in the shade Cutie. I absolutely love it. Cutie is a how would I say it now? It's like a colorless lip gloss. It's like neutral, very beautiful and yummy. I love it. I use it a lot on my clients, and it just gives you that beautiful pout, and it's amazing. And you can totally shop this lipsticks on the website. I will leave it in the description box below so you can save a few coins. So yeah. Alright guys, so hi, I and Justin we're going to check out this new place called Cadiz, somewhere in Ihama GRA here in Benin, and apparently Justin said they have very good shawarma, so we're going to try it out. And this is the place. It's just along the road, so if you're in Benin and you want to check them out, definitely do. So yeah. Ooh, it's so cute. Oh wow. Good afternoon. I think I got it. Yo, fam. I thought that we just left Cadiz and we want to visit this new place. Is that a new place? But Justin is his first time.
It is my first time.
So we're going to check it out. Alright, so we're here already. This is Uptown. This is still along Ihama Road inside Jari. I think it's in this Mechatronic Plaza. I think that's what the building is called. It's just before Randeki. So if you're in Benin, I'm giving you like nice places because this place have like mad views. Like this is the staircase all the way. I don't know why the wall is looking like that, but hey, the view upstairs, you guys will see that in a minute, is amazing. You can just come here and chill at night, and they open by 4:30. So if you are planning to check them out, you should leave your house around 4:35. Yeah, so this is the entrance. We came pretty early at about 4, so they've not yet like fully started, put on the lights and everything, so hence why it's looking kind of dull. But in a minute you guys will see the place is big, spacious. You have like lounge where you can chill with your friends, and there's a bar, and this is also their menu. And immediately this is the mad view they have outside. Like, what? I could literally live here. Like, I and Justin kept talking about the things we would do if we're the owner of this space. Justin said he'd want a pool up here, and I was like, well, I don't know if the building can take it because the building is like old, been here for a long time. So yeah. This is past 6 already, and there is a lot of traffic on the way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.